Hello everyone, today I'll show you how you can buy more storage on your iPhone. Sometimes we need to buy more storage because our phone not enough for space, because sometimes we take more for photos and videos. That's why we need more storage. So how you can learn, I'll show you. If you want to learn, then you can stay with me, otherwise you can ignore. So first you should go like settings. Then you can just tap on your name. I tap on my name. Then just here in showing some many option like personal information, security settings, payment shipping subscription, and iCloud. My current storage 5 GB. But if I want to more storage, then I just tap here. Okay, so there in showing many options. Get more with iCloud Plus up to 12. Okay, 12 terabyte storage, share and family, private, hide email, many options. So if you want to like storage, then you can just tap upgrade for 99 cent, almost 1 baht. You can just tap here. Then you can just choose which package do you want to buy. Like this is the $10 per month, this is the $3 and $1 per month. So if you want, then you can just select anyone. Then you can just upgrade to Cloud Plus, iCloud Plus. Then showing the some credit card information as you need. Okay, something later. So maybe you need to like card information, but I have no card right now. So if you want, then you can just okay, yeah, that's it. So here is showing some payment information. So if you want to put your payment information, then you will get your new package and more storage. So that's it. And thanks for the watching. Bye bye. See you.